Readings are stable. Lowering sequence initiated.
Keep it slow. We're clear on the port side.
The intake panels are completely torn away.
Confirmed. Heavy corrosion on the wing edges as well.
Confirming rig placement on Section 4. Cable tension looks stable. Proceed to the next waypoint.
Gauge indicates uneven pressure on the forward bags.
The fuselage is buckling near the cockpit. We need to slow the ascent.
Keep the ascent steady. We're clearing the superstructure now. Watch the starboard side. Over. All right, team. Easy now. Keep it centered. Steady on the starboard side.
Oxidation's extensive, but ribs are sound. Readings confirm integrity. Checking adjacent sections. Good. Log the data. Panel aligned, ready for rivets. Copy, riveting now. Sealing the edge. Adhesive applied, next panel.
Okay, easy now. Take it up 5 feet. Roger. Coming up slowly, watch your side. It's clear.
Okay, easy now, just a little lower on your side.
Copy that, holding steady, we are aligned.
Roger, beginning torque sequence.
We need to double check the hydraulic lines right behind this panel here. The stealth coating alignment is perfect across all panels.
And the systems check out. We are fully mission capable.
Looks ready to roll.